Hello everyone, today I'm coming at you from the 7th floor of, in my opinion, the most beautiful resort in all of Walt Disney World property, Wilderness Lodge. Take a look at that beauty. It's just absolutely stunning, and it's the only lobby that could rival Animal Kingdom Lodge. Those are the two most beautiful lobbies in all of Walt Disney World property. It's just amazing. And up here there are rocking chairs, so you could just come, sit down, look out into the lobby and just take it all in. It's absolutely amazing. Now, I wanted to do one more of these, unedited vlogs to give you an update as to what's going on. Me and my family, we are nearing the end of our vacation. It's sad to say, but I am beyond grateful for this absolutely amazing vacation that I've been able to have, especially in 2020, in a year of just uncertainty and craziness. Just being able to have this vacation, it's something that I am beyond grateful for, and I'm super happy that I'm just recording everything. I'm able to bring you guys along. I will be releasing those vlogs shortly. Near the end of January, I should be releasing them. Not even at the end of January. I'm starting to look at next week. Next week, me and my family, we're already back in our temporary housing location. I'm gonna start editing the vlogs at that point. So get ready for that. Now, I do have a question. I am leaning towards premiering my videos on YouTube so that I could talk with you guys. But you guys let me know if you guys prefer me premiering it or just a regular upload. I'll do whichever. I'm happy with whichever. But I am leaning more towards a premiere. Now, I do want to say one thing, though. One thing of, I guess, a bit of a spoiler here for the vlogs. I have found something that could rival, if not surpass, Epcot in terms of dining. I'm talking about Disney Springs. The restaurants that I have been to at Disney Springs have not only impressed me, they've exceeded all the expectations I've set for them by a mile, and it's absolutely amazing. I mean, the restaurants I've been to, I'm not going to say which ones. You're going to have to wait for the vlogs. But, oh my God, it's been amazing. It really has. And it's getting to a point where I think I'm starting to prefer Disney Springs for dining over Epcot, which I never thought was possible. So having something that could rival Epcot, that's absolutely insane. So you'll see what I'm talking about in the vlogs. We've been to a lot of great restaurants, so yeah, you'll see what I'm talking about. But yeah, it's sad to see that it's coming to an end, but I'm beyond grateful for this opportunity and for this vacation. And oh, another thing, that's right. So in one of the vlogs that I have, I actually give you like a sort of glimpse into the future of my channel, because I am currently planning on moving to Orlando around March. So I will become a local, and I feel like that's going to change the content that I give you guys. And I kind of give you a glimpse into the videos that I want to do. You'll see what I'm talking about in the vlogs when they start coming out. But when it does, I would love your honest opinion on it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if I could do anything better. If you want to see something when I move here, I love taking recommendations, and you guys just tell me what you guys want to see, and I'll do it. It's my passion is just recording and sharing it to all of you guys, and just bringing the Disney magic to you. So you let me know, and I'll do it. It's just magic, So with that being said, thank you very much for everything, for all the support. Thank you for being part of the Disney family, and see you real soon.